Come with me, my friend, to the basement again, to my miniature world of trains.
Hi, and welcome back to the basement. In the last episode, I talked about track planning for a basement layout. Now I'm excited about getting some of the benchwork built, and the first sections are already in place. So let's go over and take a look at how I got to this stage of the railroad's construction. In general, I have seen three types of benchwork. The most common is the L girder, as developed by Lynn Westcott and the Model Railroad magazine staff. Stud wall, as developed by Laurel Joyner, and brackets from the wall, now used by many authors writing for the hobby press. The L girder is the first one I want to talk about, and this was invented by the Model Railroader staff and Lynn Westcott. And it's been widely published, and you can certainly go and buy some of their books in great detail. L girder made up with a 1x4, a 1x2. We screw those together, and we get an L. Now obviously we have inverted that here, and that's what you want to do. And then we simply screw the legs directly on. Make sure that you get plenty of bracing. I have some going here that keeps this from racking back and forth in this direction. I have X bracing here that keeps it from moving in the backward and forward position. Extremely strong. You can actually stand on this.